When it's getting dark, one click to turn on the bright LED light. One click to open the door to a preset height. Reduce waiting time. Ideal for fresh air. Package delivery. Saves energy and extends motor life. Wireless wall button. One tap control. Light plus motor. Effortless convenience. One touch to open and close the garage door remotely. See real-time door status, anytime, anywhere, via the Smart View camera. Missed another delivery? Tired of stolen packages? Introducing Smart Packaging Mode. Receive indoor delivery with partial opening mode. Freely adjustable opening height. Choose 5% to 40% open for small to large packages. Open the garage just enough and close clearly and safely, all remotely from your phone. Get real-time alerts. Open your garage remotely. Receive packages safely, all via our smart garage opener.